He said, are you going on an airplane now?
I'm going on an airplane now. I thought he said open now.
He's going on an airplane now.
Are you going with him?
No, not.
What?
Here.
Cheese.
Do you want him to come with you? To stay here with you?
Say big cheese.
Stay here.
He wants you to stay. Say, I love you, Uncle Cheese. It was a video.
Hold on, I'm not going yet. She's backing out.
Not doing it.
Peace.
No, Julian. Are you kissing her feet? Okay.